Hey guys, welcome to another Wine and DIY. Today we're going to make a skeleton hand that holds a lantern. If you love Halloween, you always check Grandin Road. Grandin Road always sells those zombie hands that come out from the wall, like so, and they hold like a lantern of sorts. And I love it. I just don't love zombies, but I do love skeletons. So I'm going to teach you how you can make your own version, a dupe, if you will, of the zombie hands, the zombie lantern holding hands. So today's spooky shirt is my Breaking Benjamin shirt from the tour. And it has this creepy skeleton, fortune teller. Today's spooky wine glass is a wine tumbler with bats. And today's spooky wine is Ravage. Going to look for spooky wines sometimes is hard. There's not really that many spooky wines at my grocery store. Giant, let's get it together. It's August. All spooky things are ready to go. You need a skeleton hand from Michaels, black paint and a paintbrush, a circular wood base, a short plastic cup, creepy cloth, super glue, an LED tea light, and wire. So paint the base black. I use a sponge brush to make it really easy and let it dry. Then you're going to cut 2 holes into your plastic cup on either side, cut wire that's long enough, and then fit it through the holes in the cup. Then you'll just attach it at the top. Make sure to super glue it to the bottom so the wire doesn't move around. Next, you're going to cut a hole through the middle of your spooky cloth and then fit it over the wire. And then stick your LED light in and you're ready to go. Finally, you need to attach the skeleton to the base, so just super glue that sucker. Let it dry, and then it's time to assemble your skeleton hand in your base and your spooky cloth lantern. Put your command strips on and attach it to the wall. You're all finished. Now you've got your own creepy skelly hand holding a lantern. Turn the lights out and it looks like this. So one thing that I didn't realize until I actually put it up on my wall is that if you have a cat, they will rip this off the wall. So this is Beauregard. He's likely the one that jumped up and ripped my skeleton hand off the wall, right? But I forgive you. Okay, fine, bye. Thanks for watching this DIY. I hope it inspired you. I want to give one of you the chance to make it at home, and I want to send you the materials that you need. Please comment below with some kind of like skeleton emoji. Tell me that you want to do this DIY, and I'll pick someone and ship you the materials. Good luck.